We've had some beautiful spring days if you're inside looking at them through your window.
And they were scattered here and there. If you were on
Yeah.
a Wednesday at some point, you had a good warm day. But yeah, they've been few
I'm
and
not
far
saying warm, just pretty. It's
Yeah.
pretty
Yeah,
today.
Looks nice. Yeah.
You want pretty?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay.
Right here. Take a look. Right now.
Cue the video.
There it is.
I think I can.
Yes. You look out there at Keeneland and you see the trees still in full bloom out here along the first turn. They're doing a little work there on the track. Be curious to see how many of these flowers are left on the trees after the wind that comes in here on Wednesday, because it will be a howling wind. We could see wind gusts 30, 40 miles per hour easily coming in. Max Track Doppler 617. We're picking up some radar returns south of Lake Cumberland. Again, that's just up aloft. It's Virga. The seasonal battle is continuing between spring and even some summer warmth to the south and still winter to the north. But spring does roar back for us with strong winds and some storms Wednesday. Another round of, call it normal cold. Not this extreme stuff, but just normal cold coming in for next weekend. But this battle has been continuing now for several weeks, and really it's continuing at a very high level where you've got this tremendous reservoir of Arctic air that's still sitting up here over Canada. We had a lobe of that drop down over the weekend. Parts of Minnesota got to 13 below zero over the weekend. Late March, that's awfully cold. Meanwhile, you've got summertime warmth building across the south. And so that clash zone, that's where the storm track is. And we see these coming by every 4 to 6 days. And these storms, when they come by, can bring severe weather. It is evident today to find out where that boundary is. You see the cold up here. Buffalo's at 22, and they've had snow most of the day. Meanwhile, mid-80s across the southwest. You can go back into a West Texas there, and you can find temperatures flirting with 90. So again, the clash zone is certainly there. We've got temperatures 30s and 40s in the Ohio Valley, 40s and 50s as you go through the Tennessee Valley, and from our Kentucky Mesonet, you see the low and mid 40s around everywhere. So Owingsville comes in at 42, 47 in Liberty, 45 in Lawrenceburg. Bluegrass Airport also at 45 after a high today of 46. Light northwest wind comes in at about 8. So the lows this morning did get cold. We had folks that got into the teens. Paintsville was 18, Owingsville 19, Cynthiana was 17, Somerset, Richmond, McKee, Boonville right there too. Frankfort was 20. Now it'll be warmer tomorrow morning, upper 20s and low 30s out there, but still a hard freeze for some. Now, the temperatures will spike up on Wednesday in a big way, but then there's that normal batch of cold, 5 to 10 degrees below normal instead of 10 to 20 below normal, which translates to this: 50 in Georgetown tomorrow, Nicholasville, 48 Carlisle, 47 Mount Olivet. You look over to the east, 48 in Flemingsburg, 51 Frenchburg, Campton comes in at 52. Warmer in the southeast, where Barberville gets into the low 60s, but Boonville in the mid 50s. Salyersville only at 52. Somerset 61. Stanford and Mount Vernon, though, several degrees cooler in the mid 50s. So here's your future track. There's your modified Arctic high pressure, the one that has brought the cold. Well, it is giving way. By tomorrow morning, warm front is coming north. As it does, you can't rule out a little passing sprinkle or light shower with it. Not particularly big chance. Then it goes by. Storm cranks up out here in the plains. As it does, it gets really windy. There is your squall line, and that is what could bring our stronger thunderstorms and at least a marginal threat of severe weather by Wednesday night. For tonight, partly to mostly cloudy, unusually cold, back down to the upper 20s. Tomorrow, you're going partly to mostly cloudy again, few isolated showers, close to 50. A very windy day on Wednesday, but it's warm, mid 70s. Storms Wednesday night, ending on Thursday, and cool showers are around for Friday and Saturday. Keith?